Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can use your own custom classes as keys in a map. First I add an include directive to include map, and then I create a new map object. And here the template arguments that I use is person and int. And I just name this M, but ideally you want to name it something meaningful, such as person to score. That maps a person to a score. Now this doesn't compile because I still have to include person, and then I should be good. Now person is defined in its own .h file. You can see here it's just a basic class person that has a single member variable name, and it has getter and setter functions to get the name and to set the name. What I want to do here is create a new object. I name this John, and then I set the name for John, which is also John. And now I want to add an entry with John as a key. So I do M John equals 98. When I run this program now, this fails. And the reason for this is that whenever you want to use a custom class as a key in the map, you have to overload the smaller than operator. So I go back to my person class. I overload the operator by typing bool operator smaller than, which expects a constant reference of type person. I use other as the identifier for this parameter, and then I implement it by comparing name of the current object to the name of the other object. So this is the current object on which the operator is called, and then the other object is another person object, and I use that name and compare to this one, and I use the less than operator. Now with this implemented, I can go back to the program, and when I compile, this should now succeed. You can see it was successful, and now I can use the custom class as a key in a map. Most of the time you can get away with strings, but whenever you want to use your own data type as a key, be sure to overload the smaller than operator. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.